channel. And maraming salamat din kasi ngayong araw na ito, ay naku, syempre, I'm very excited kasi meron tayong isang award-winning guests and um, malalaman natin kung ano yung mga bagay na ginagawa niya, kung bakit award-winning siya. Ayan, so thank you so much, La Visual, sa sa pag-coordinate kasi yes, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko makikilala of course, ang ating guest, si Miss Binky Sarahan Reyes ng The Voice Academy of the Philippines Incorporated. She is actually the president and the founder. Yes, good morning. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so again, so let's call Miss Binky Sarahan Reyes, the founder and the president of the Voice Academy of the Philippines Incorporated. Yan. Okay. And hopefully, ma-meet ko rin siya in person. Sa ngayon, syempre, remote or online lang natin. Online lang si ma'am. Pero soon, yan, ilagay natin sa goal natin yan na ma-meet natin. Oo, si Ma'am Binky. There you go. Okay, so andyan na pa siya, direct? Okay,
Hi.
yes. Yes.
Good
Ma'am.
morning.
Ay, good
Can you hear
morning,
me?
Ma'am. Wow, napakaganda naman pala ni Ma'am Binky. Na ano naman ako sa iyong eyelashes.
Thank you.
Okay, Ma'am
Ayan.
Binky, bati ka po muna sa ating mga viewers.
Hi, good morning po sa lahat ng avid viewers ng Media House and Coffee Tea on Me. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We really looking forward to seeing you in person, ma'am. So I just hope that I will be able to have this opportunity to meet you, Miss Gia.
Yes, it's going to be my pleasure. Okay, so Ma'am
My pleasure,
Binky,
ma'am.
oo, so no, nakita ko dun actually sa page mo, binrowse ko. 'Di ba? Syempre nagre-research din ako. And I saw a lot of kids, they are, happy with what they're doing. Oo. So ano ba ang meron dyan kasi you're the president and the founder of the Voice Academy of the Philippines. And what's in it?
Well, actually po, sa Voice Academy of the Philippines, we offer voice, dance, modeling, instrument courses like piano, guitar, drum lesson. We also have ukulele. Lahat ng kailangan yung matutunan para lang to keep you busy nandyan sa Voice Academy. Now we don't only offer this to amateurs, mga ganyan. Amateurs, hobbyists, and professionals. We also offer our services to kids with special needs. So meron kaming advocacy of teaching kids, especially with the spectrum of autism. We had a partnership and collaboration with Autism Society of the Philippines. And we currently have more or less about 44 scholars
Wow.
on hand. Tinuturuan namin silang kumanta, mag-play ng musical instruments, and at the same time sumayaw. So, this is kind of rewarding on our part kasi kung nakikita natin yung improvement ng mga batang ito na yung ito na yung sinasabi mong self-actualization, di ba? Yan sa hierarchy of needs
Needs ni
ng
Maslow.
Maslow.
Oo,
Yeah.
ayan. Wow, Miss Binky, so it's it's more than just a voice academy. Kasi you're not only touching, yung talent, yung kakayahan ng mga bata, but you are also touching the hearts of these kids and their families, 'di ba?
That's right.
Wow,
Yeah.
so that's really amazing. Opo, nakakatuwa po na malaman po from you. And I would like to know, kailan pa po ba itong The Voice Academy of the Philippines?
Well, Voice Academy of the Philippines has been in existence for more than 26 years already. So,
Opo.
we are just so blessed na kahit nung pandemic, ma'am, hindi po kami tumigil sa pagtuturo because napaka-blessed po namin dahil most of our students po kasi are from abroad.
Mhm.
So, naturuan po namin yung mga estudyante namin na siyempre po yung ibang tuliro na sa buhay nung mga panahon na hindi sila makalabas, wala sila makausap. Yung Voice Academy, yung kanilang naging kaagapay. Kasi
Mhm.
tinuruan namin sila maibsan ang kanilang depression,
Mhm. Yes.
maibsan ang kanilang lungkot. Kasi nandyan kami para maaral pa rin nila yung gusto nilang aralin.
Yes.
Lalo-lalo na yung boys.
Oo.
Nakakatuwa kasi meron po kami mga estudyante, karamihan po ng mga estudyante namin, mga frontliners, nurses, sa Australia, sa Melbourne, sa New York. Tinatanong nga namin bakit gusto nila mag-aral ng voice. Sabi nila kasi nung time na yon, kasi ma'am, tulirong-tiluro na kami sa gamot dun sa mga may COVID.
Mhm.
So
Opo.
para lang just to keep abreast of yung reality ba?
Mhm.
Ayan.
Yes.
At gusto nila talaga ang makausap nila Pilipino din. Kasi
Mm.
siyempre they are away from home.
Oo.
So
Opo.
yun yung naging paraan nila para to cope with their stress. So
Yes.
natuto na silang kumanta, nagkaroon pa sila ng constant hindi naman companion pero parang gano'n na rin.
Oho. Oho.
Um, yun nga lang, we're away from how
Mhm.
many hours from
Mhm.
them. So, naging bahagi din kami ng kanilang lakbay, 'di ba?
Yes.
During the pandemic. Ay, we're just so thankful to the Lord na
Mhm.
naging instrumental kami sa mga batang nangangailangan ng mga panahon na gusto nilang lumabas at
Yes.
kumanta.
Opo.
Ayan.
Ayun, so parang through you, they were able to keep their sanity. 'Di ba?
That's right. That's right.
So, at
And at
saka,
the same time, ito pong mga bata na may autism. Kasi I'm a BS Psychology graduate in Miriam.
mhm,
So dito ko nagamit yung child psychology, kumbaga.
mhm,
So tinuruan namin na, kasi kadalasan po kasi di ba, hindi naman sila ganun ka-open before na pag merong kondisyon yung bata,
mhm,
tinatago na lang nila, di ba?
mhm,
So
yes.
ngayon po, we make them realize, we were able to create an awareness na itong mga batang ito, hindi kailangan itago.
That's
'Di
right.
ba? Bagkus kailangan nilang maging functional.
Mhm,
Kasi paano na lang kung wala na yung mga magulang nila? Kadalasan kasi ang mga nanay ang talaga nagtsatsaga, 'di
mhm,
ba?
opo.
So, at least dito sa Voice Academy through our music,
Mhm,
natuturuan namin sila mag-communicate, natuturuan namin sila maging functional, and
mhm,
at the same time nararamdaman nila na may worth sila. Yung
yes.
self-esteem, self-worth, then nila nakukuha sa pag-communicate sa amin, and at the same time they get to mingle with
Mhm,
regular students.
socialization. Mhm,
Yes, yung socialization skills nila talaga nai-improve.
mhm,
Kaya yan po ang naging advocacy ng
mhm.
Voice Academy.
Yes, and it's also good, no, para they can easily express themselves, 'di ba?
That's right.
Mhm.
That's
Ma'am,
right.
kung hindi niyo na natatanong na kasi kanina you've mentioned about Maslow hierarchy, no? The hierarchy of needs. I am also a psychology graduate. So,
Kaya
yes,
pala.
that's why medyo nagko-connect yung mga words na binibitiwan mo at saka
Diba?
binibitiwan ko. We're
Kasi
connected.
di ba yung first part is sense of belongingness.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yun yung tinuturo namin sa mga bata. At least
Mhm.
they feel they belong, di ba?
Yes.
Parang, ano naman kung may kondisyon ako, I don't
That's
care.
right.
At
Oh.
least I know what to do. And at the
Mhm.
same time, sila, nararamdaman nila na, hindi rason yun na meron silang kondisyon na hindi sila pwede mag-social,
Mhm.
ba? Di
Opo.
ba?
Tama po yan. At saka yun nga yung, ngayon kasi talagang ang hashtag na nga rin is yung inclusivity or inclusion.
That's
Oo.
right. That's
Hindi,
right.
hindi na ano yan, parang kahit may kondisyon, pwedeng get out and yung ability,
Bingo.
yung
Yeah.
kakayahan, pwedeng ano yan, pagyamanin, di
You
po
have
ba?
to interact. That's right.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Opo. Dito po
So,
kasi sa Voice Academy, meron po kaming vocal exercises, vocal
mhm,
warm-ups, nadidiretso yung dila nila. Yung pagsasalita
speech
nila,
therapy, no?
encourage.
Yeah.
Kasi we talk to them consistently. Hindi po pwedeng kanta lang.
Mhm.
So dito, may time kami, may mga exercises kami na kailangan yung mga bata, they have to thank their sponsors kasi we usually ask people, yung individual and companies to share their blessing by sponsoring at least one child para
That's
makapag-aral po
good.
sa amin. Hindi po lahat ng mga bata na nag-aral po sa Voice Academy na meron pong spectrum of autism and some of them are done with the Down syndrome can afford to have their training with us. So what we did, we tap on individuals, generous sponsors like yung mga companies as part of their corporate responsibility, di
CSR.
ba?
Yeah, CSR,
Yeah.
right? Oo.
CSR, social responsibility. So, nakakatuwa naman kasi we tap also politicians. So, sabi namin, if you are going to sponsor a child, going to sponsor their dream and at the same time will make a great impact on their lives.
That's right.
Kasi iba yung nararamdaman nila na meron silang silbi, 'di ba?
Yes, oo.
Sa society, 'di ba?
Oo
Ayun
na.
po.
Wow, that's really very nice. Okay, so syempre you've mentioned, Miss Binky, that 26 years ago, sinimulan mo po ito. And what made you do it? What made you, yung meron bang sign or meron bang nag-motivate sa'yo, nag-encourage sa'yo na, come on, maggawa ka nitong The Voice Academy of the Philippines? Yes, what made you do
Well,
it?
actually, that's a very good question. Kasi po nung araw, ang akala ko kasi lahat ng tao marunong kumanta.
Ah, aray ko, aray
So
ko
kasi
po,
kasi
aray ko.
oo,
Tamang-tama ako dun ah.
ano po yun we are just so blessed na sa family circle namin, lahat sila marunong kumanta eh. So, hanggang sa lumalaki na ako, nasali kasi kami sa choir, sa church choir, sa school choirs. Meron ako na-encounter na mga hindi marunong kumanta na gustong-gustong kumanta, 'di ba? So, I find it so odd. Parang hindi naman sa parang abnormal, parang lahat naman tayo may ngala-ngala, bakit ako nakakanta, ikaw hindi. 'Di ba? Parang ganyan. So, as the time goes on, so ang ginawa ko, I keep abreast of the new techniques. So ako mismo nag-aral. Nag-aral din ako sa UP. Nag-aral ako kay Maestro Ryan Cayabyab. Kasi gusto
Wow.
kong ma-enhance lalo yung aking interest, 'di ba?
Yes.
So hindi siyempre si Maestro Ryan Cayabyab is more into pop music, ganyan, 'di ba? So nag-aral din ako sa Philippine Jazz Society President Sandra Lim Viray para matutunan ko kung paano yung jazz, 'di ba?
Oh, wow.
Opo, so sa UP, inaral ko yung classical, yung conservatory type of music. Kay Maestro Ryan Cayabyab, I was able to learn the pop music, yung jazz, ganyan. So sabi ko, since marami yung clamor na gustong matutong kumanta, sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi na lang natin i-share yung knowledge natin na ito sa ibang mga tao na gustong magkaroon ng pag-asa, ang sa tingin nilang walang pag-asa. So, yun po ang nangyari. Kaya nagkaroon po ng Voice Academy of the Philippines.
Ayun.
Nag-train kami ng mga batang magagaling na kumanta at tinuruan namin kung ano yung tamang technique. Kasi po, iba yung widow na sinasabi. Marunong kang kumanta kasi nasanay ka na din sa environment mo, mahilig mag-karaoke, mahilig kumanta. But the thing is, dahil widow, hindi mo alam. Hindi uubra tong technique nito. Siguro itong technique na to pwede. Parang ganyan. So, we were able to professionalize na kung paano mo dapat i-belt out, na hindi ka nahihirapan, hindi sumasakit ang lalamunan mo, at paano ka ba huminga, sa bibig ba, sa ilong. So, ang ginawa namin, sinare namin po itong knowledge namin na ito sa maraming tao.
Ayun.
So, we tap schools. Nagsimula po kami doon. Itap namin yung mga eskwelahan. We created a singing competition for them. So, siyempre po, sa singing competition, malalaman mo, may mga magagaling kumanta, pero alam mong raw yung talent. So, yun ang sinimula
okay.
namin na turuan.
Wow. So,
Grassroots talaga.
yes. So
Sinimulan po
parang
namin talaga sa pinakasimula.
okay. So yung mga, let's say, yung mga zero natuturuan, yung mga zero talent kagaya, ay ako, may kilala
May
po ako,
pag-asa,
naku, may
may
kilala po
pag-asa.
ako, grabe, hindi siya talaga mapakanta. Actually, Miss Binky, kami dito sa Media House Express, meron po kami tinatawag na nightcap. Yung mga
Ah,
anchors po doon, talagang they sing, talagang well, they have the confidence to sing and, sa show. Parang it's a variety show. Siguro, one of these days, pwede po siguro kayo namin maimbitahan, 'di ba? Na
sure.
join ng nightcap. It's actually every night and from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Yan. Okay. Sila po ay kumakanta. So, minsan, pagka po inaabot ako dito ng nahihilangan nila akong mag-join sa kanila, pero talagang ako ay tagabasa lang po ng mga messages sa aming live at parang ang aking lampong contribution ay ang ngiti ko at ang aking ganda. Ay gano'n. Pero
Tama.
hindi po nila ako mapakanta. Oo, ayun. So, siguro yung confidence of, singing. However, I am a teacher. I sing in front of my
Ah,
students only.
that's good.
Yes.
That's
Oh.
good.
But
Actually, what we can do, opo, I would suggest, considering na marami po sa inyo ang mga mahihilig kumanta,
mhm.
di ba? Um, as part of our gratitude sa inyo for allowing us to share our insights, we
Mhm.
can actually offer a free training in cooperation with La Visual. Diba?
Wow, nako
So,
nakakatuwa naman
pwede
'yan.
po namin bigyan ng free training po ang ating mga anchors para they would
Oh,
know what is the proper technique to apply pagka
wow.
kumakanta. Kasi nandun na yung interest nila eh. So,
Mhm.
I might be able to get a segment
Mhm.
na pwede namin sabihin na, oh, this is how you do it.
Mhm.
Diba? This is how you open your mouth. Ito
Mhm.
yung mga
Yes.
ingrediente, kumbaga, para lalong sumarap ang inyong linuto. Diba? So, may ganon.
I
So,
like
para
that.
may enjoy nila lalo yung yung nightcap nila. And then from there, malalaman nila, oh, nag-improve na ako kahit papaano. Diba?
Mhm.
So,
Ayun,
we can,
nakakatuwa
would
naman.
love to do that. Yeah, would love to do that one
Mhm.
of these days so
Yes,
that they
yes,
will
why
be able
not?
to, they will be able to inspire more, yung soon-to-be singers, di ba?
Yes, yung mga may
Wannabe
before and
singers.
after, ano? Before and
Opo, pwede
after.
nating
Oh, 'di ba?
makita. Yes, para, why dati, ganito lang ang boses ko ngayon, ito na. So,
Oo.
would love to do that po. We can probably do a session para po yung inyong mga kasama dyan, mas lalong ma-inspire
Oo.
kumanta. Di ba?
Yes. Oo, thank you, coach. Oh, di ba may coach? May voice coach feeling. Parang ako yung sa akin pinakamahihirapan si Coach Binky.
Oo. Then,
Yon.
tandaan nyo, I don't know kung nasend po sa inyo ng La Visual
Mhm.
Corporation yung aming binigay na mga teaser na nakalagay
Mhm.
doon. One of my videos is that as long as you can talk, you can sing.
Oh,
Diba?
okay. I like that because I can talk a lot, so that means I can sing a lot. Oh, wow naman.
As long as you can talk, you can sing. Dapat, tandaan nyo po yan. Kasi lahat naman po tayo may lalamunan,
Mhm.
may pharynx, di ba? Pharynx, larynx, di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
So,
That's
may
right.
diaphragm. So, wala namang pinagkaiba. Ang
Mhm.
pinagkaiba lang natin is, meron kaming mga vocal techniques, di
Yes,
ba,
oo,
na
the
alam
vocal techniques.
para to simplify as
Mhm.
to how are we going to do the belting out. So, yan po ang ituturo namin sa inyo.
Wow!
We're
Ayan,
gonna
narinig mo yan,
we're
Direk,
going to
ha?
share it. Di ba?
Ayan. Oo, nako, very interesting. Nako, Ma'am Irma, shout out. And Sir Alan, Sir Mel. Ayan, nako,
I
at
would
saka
love to meet you guys.
Oo, yan
Yeah.
po. Oo, syempre. Doon naman po sa mga students po ninyo or mga naging estudyante ninyo, meron pa kayong message for them?
Yung aming mga estudyante na currently enrolled sa Voice Academy,
Mhm.
ang simple lang po ang message ko. Give back the glory to him, 'di ba? So lahat ng ito binigay sa atin ng Panginoon na magkaroon tayo ng ng ganitong talento. Share it with everybody through church choir, maybe sa school choir, ganyan.
Yes,
Alam niyo
yes.
po, just to give you some anecdote talaga.
Aha,
So, nung nasa Miriam po kasi ako,
yes, ma'am.
dalawa yung dalawa yung pwede mo salihan doon, Glee Club at saka liturgical choir. Pero dahil po na-instill sa isipan ko yung laging sinasabi ng nanay ko na pag binigyan kayo ng ganitong talento ng ating Panginoon, kailangan you give back the glory to Him. So, syempre, ako, inisip ko, liturgical choir ba? More on liturgical songs ang kakantahin ko. Lagi akong kakanta sa church or sa mass, pag may mass sa
Or may
school.
service,
O
yes.
dito ko sa Glee Club kasi ang mga kanta nito hindi church songs,
Pop,
hindi liturgical
yes.
songs, mga popular songs, yung
Yes.
mga gusto mo talaga, worldly songs, diba? Bumalik sa akin ulit yung sinabi ng mami ko eh. Ito binigay ng Panginoon sa'yo, gamitin mo yan para mag-serve ka sa Panginoon. So, I chose liturgical choir. And pag may baccalaureate mass, kami pa rin ang kumakanta. Kaya, yun din po ang sinasabi ko sa mga estudyante ko, na marunong kayong kumanta, serve the Lord. Whether you're a Christian, you're a Catholic,
Catholic.
it doesn't matter. Yeah, you can be a worship leader, you can be a choir leader. 'Di ba? Para hindi lang puro Taylor Swift ang kinakanta. 'Di ba? Ayun po.
Okay, so
Pero
Miss Binky, to those who are interested to, ask you more or inquire more or would like, parang interesado na maging isa sa mga estudyante mo, paano nga ba at saan nga ba ang The Voice Academy of the Philippines Incorporated?
Wow. Thank you so much for this opportunity to plug. So, Voice Academy is offering face-to-face and online classes. So, hindi lang po kami available nationwide. We are offering our services globally. So, you can check our Facebook account, The Voice Academy of the Philippines on Facebook. And then you can also Google it, The Voice Academy. We're available Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. And sometimes we do it on by appointment. So you can call our Viber and our regular lines as well at 028-661 okay 4841, or you can call 0920 I mean 952-8231 or 0917-7250-557. Would love to see you in our studio.
There you go. Okay, maraming salamat. And of course, congratulations sa iyo, Miss Binky, because I've heard meron kang tatanggapin na mga awards, no? Oo, from La Visual Corporation. Yes. Oo.
Yes, I'd like to thank, of course, La Visual Corporation for this opportunity that we were recognized by them, by their prestigious organization.
Yes.
And actually, itong citation na to or recognition na tatanggapin namin ay muling magbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon para lalo po namin ipagpatuloy yung aming ginagawa na advokasya sa mga batang nangangailangan na sa amin na i-enhance ang kanilang talent. And at the same time, yung mga batang feeling nila they feel so depressed because they don't belong to any of the yung mga community na gusto nilang makasama. So tama yung sinabi nyo, we are here to give awareness and of course inclusivity sa mga batang nangangailangan ng pansin, 'di ba?
Yes.
So muli iniimbitahan namin po kayo na manood ng inyong programa, Coffee, Tea and Me.
Ayan.
Yeah, thank you so
Oo.
much. And of course, inaanyayahan din po namin kayo na makapunta doon sa event po na gaganapin po sa pagre-recognize po nito sa ating mga achiever, di ba?
Yes,
So
oo.
we would like everyone to come and be with us sa Hexa, di ba?
Hexagon,
Hexagon
yes.
Place, Event Place. And that's going to be on September. Is that
Yes.
right?
September 8th.
September
Yes.
8th, 2024, courtesy of La Visual
Yes.
Corporation. As a second finest business, is that right?
Yes. Business
Achiever.
Awards and Outstanding Achievers. Yes.
And outstanding achievers. And syempre, we would like to congratulate Media House as one of our co-awardees.
Yes, thank you so
For-
much, Miss Binky. And of course, this is not the last, ha? This is just the first. Ito lang ang simula. Thank you so much, Miss Binky. And I'm hoping na magkikita tayo in person. Thank you so much
No
po.
problem. I assure you that we're going to enjoy our chit chat in person sometime next week, I think. So, I just hope that I get to meet also some of the, I know, some of your anchors na
Yes.
mahilig kumanta. So that they will be,
Yes,
I
yes,
know,
opo. Okay.
enjoying their, their bonding,
Yes.
night bonding.
Opo. Okay,
Ayan po.
thank you so much. And there you go. Thank you, Direk.
Maraming
And
maraming salamat.
yes po, and that's Miss Binky of the Voice Academy of the Philippines Incorporated. At ayun na nga, may kumakaway-kaway na sa akin. So syempre naman, napakabilis talaga ng oras, but then talaga namang naging siksik, liglig at nag-uumapaw ang ating show ngayong araw na ito. Thank you all so much sa mga hindi ko nabasa. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok ninyo dito sa Coffee Tea on Me. And of course, ito ay inyong kasamang Gia Cruz Buenaventura dahil dito sa MHE, kami kasama mo.